Hello everyone, again welcome on this channel. Today we will learn how to multiply the snake plant with a single cutting. Before 1 year I have only a single plant, and now I have so many plants. You can see that these all are the snake plant and these are grown by the cuttings. uh, Firstly we will take a leaf cut from here. Matured leaf we will take. Okay, I taken a leaf from here. From here I have cut it with a sharp knife or with a scissor. You can cut it. After cutting from a plant, we will separate it into 2-3 parts. I just cut it into 4 parts. Now after cutting these, we will grow. I will grow only a single in front of you. Now we will you can see that I'll grow it here. Let's see. In this manner we will grow all cuttings, right? Before 10 days I have grown these cuttings, and now you can see the result within 10 days. 1 2 these are the plants generated from this leaf, and this is from this, and these all are grown before 10 to 15 days, and I am waiting for the new plants. They will grow from here. Now I will tell you another cuttings. Let's see. I just grow this plant, this leaf, and with a single leaf you can see the result. 1 2 3 4. These all are grown from this. You can see this. These all are the snake plant propagation. Yes, you can see that 1 2 3. These all are grow from a single leaf. Thank you. You can also grow your snake plant. You can also multiply like this. It's a very simple way to propagate your snake plant at home.